Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at this platform called Cenoa and how to withdraw your dollars from there to your bank account in Nigeria. And this platform claims to be better than Clever, GPay, Gray, Cheaper Cash as well. I have used it. I initially set up an account not because I wanted to get a US dollar account, which they also offer, but I signed up on it because they basically let you save your naira there and you get interest over time. But over time they also expanded. Now you can receive money from Upwork, Fiverr, and other freelance platform to your account here in dollars, and you can then withdraw the dollars. So this is what the homepage looks like. My balance is hidden. Now you want to click on transfer here on screen where it says transfer. You want to click on that to transfer your money. This is me assuming that you've received the money to your Cenoa account. So here you pretty much fill your bank account details. That's the Nigerian bank account that you want to receive the money in, right? So again, this platform lets you receive dollars and other currencies, and then you can add your Nigerian bank account here to receive the money in, of course, naira. So to convert the dollars or that currency to naira at black market rate. So I'm filling my information here. Here you can see the rate 1586 as of the time of recording this video. You see that's the rate on this page. So I'm going to enter the amount I would like to withdraw. In this case it's just 7,000 naira, which is like $4. So that's the amount I want to withdraw. I'm going to go ahead now and click on continue down here, of course, after reviewing everything. So here it will tell me to confirm that this is my account number, tell me to slide to withdraw the money, and the next thing you're going to see is pretty much a notification that lets you know that the withdrawal has been completed or the money has been sent. It took another 4 minutes for me to receive the money in my OPay account. Like, that was how fast it was. So that's it. I just waited on this page. 4 minutes later I went to check my OPay and boom, it was there. So let me show you my OPay real quick so you see when the money came from them what it looked like. So this is my OPay. As you can see, the 7,000 naira is here. It says from Partner Tech, but as you can see, that's the 7,000 naira, and that is how you can withdraw your money directly from, of course, this platform straight to your OPay account. Of course, I make videos about money and how to move money around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and please like this video. When you hit that like button, the video will get noticed more. Please help me grow the channel by liking the video, and thank you for your time. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. I'll see you around. Bye.